All right, we're gonna call the docket number 525532, State versus Mario Menzia Huerto. That is Mr. Aristoteles. He is in El Paso on a federal case. Patty, please reset that to 60 days, please.
Yes, sir.
Case number 55405. Lordy, is that 6 or 8?
8.
8. State versus Amber Ramos Espinosa. Attorney Robert Valdez.
Good morning, Your Honor. I didn't have that on my calendar, but I'm here.
Good morning, Mr. Valdez.
Good morning. I'll confer.
God bless her soul. You remember Hattie Briscoe?
Of course, yes.
I always think of her because she always say, Your Honor, we're going to convoy.
Did I say that?
All right, so you're number one to confer. Who's with the state this morning? We have Miss Pollard.
Your Honor, we're both here.
Pardon me?
Your Honor, both Ms. Pollard and I are here.
All right, Miss Pollard, you'll be please start conferring with Mr. Valdez.
Yes, sir.
I have
I can
another
go ahead.
case. I have another case.
Give me the other one, Robert.
That would be Alonso Gomez, 610-063.
610-063.
They can see us.
There it is. We'll put you to confer on both those cases, Robert.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome, sir.
Judge, did you want me to go ahead and place them in breakout?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
558261, State versus Lisa Flanagan, and the attorney is Cornelius Cox.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Ms. Flanagan, good morning to you.
Good morning.
And Cornelius Cox,
He is present. I don't know where, but he's there. He just called me.
all right.
I know he's
well,
just going to reset it.
Okay, well, we'll have to wait till he decides to show up to do so.
You know how he is. Come on now.
Who was it,
I
Freddie?
love him though.
Then we
All right,
have,
I will
What did you
mute out
say?
now. All right.
stick around, man. 57,
Sean, I'm in court. I'm going to have to talk to you later this afternoon.
573. Hello. I'd like to call the docket. If you need to talk or somebody has comments to make, mute yourself until I call on you, please. 573-747, 573-748, and 573-749, all the state of Texas versus Robert Margot, attorney, Sean Brown.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Your Honor. Brian Oriole, Sean Brown's office.
Already.
Present.
And what do you want to do this morning, Mr. Oriole?
And Judge, in this particular case, we had applied through the VTC. We were denied at this point in time. I'm reconferring with the state on that decision. In the meantime, though, before that, these cases were on trial docket. We've already tried one of them. I'd like to place these back onto the trial docket.
All right. So be it. You are now in trial docket on these three cases, Mr. Murgo. Did you want to confer today, or are you going to try and confer some other time?
Judge, I'll confer with the prosecutors in here after I hear back from the prosecutor on the VTC. I have Ms. Pollard's contact information.
You're talking about PTD?
VTC, Veterans Treatment Court.
I'm sorry?
The Veterans Treatment Court.
Oh, VT. I'm sorry. All right.
Sorry, Judge, my mic's not great.
No, my hearing isn't. All right, we'll look into that. You're next to confirm.
Judge, may I excuse Mr. Murgo while I confer so he can get back to his day?
That is a good idea. Mr. Murgo, you're excused.
Thank you, sir.
The attorney's gonna be doing some work for you. Well, you go ahead and go to work or whatever you need to do.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Brian.
582762 and 582764, State of Texas versus Christian or Christian.
Tristan, good morning,
Rochelle,
Dawn, present.
Good morning, Judge. This is Rochelle Acevedo. I'm present. If I can confer on that.
You're number 3 to confer.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Thank you both for being on time. 585661 and 663, State versus Sergio Martinez, attorney, Paul Acevedo.
It's here in the courtroom, Judge. Martinez is in the courtroom.
Already,
Judge, that got reset. I don't understand why it didn't get crossed out on your docket, but attorneys in Wilson County in person, and it got reset, final PTC November 4th.
all right.
Patty?
November 4th.
Okay, I'll give it to him.
And he is
Thank you.
excused. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
There you go. Thank you.
How did we manage to get these dockets so very pale? 589746, State versus Noemi Isaias? No,
Isales.
Isales. I can barely make that out, Patty.
I'm sorry. Yes, I'm here, Your Honor. Isales.
Good morning, Miss Isales.
Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. Karen Corby for now, Ms. Isabel. She has completed the requirements for a conditional dismissal, so I shall be forwarding the certificate of completion to the prosecutor so they can dismiss the case.
All right. Very good.
Would
Is
be
this all you
excused?
have this morning, Miss Corby?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, then you all are both excused. Thank you for being here.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day.
Bye.
605 258 rather, State versus Eric Maldonado,
Vice
attorney.
President with counsel, Your Honor.
Frente La Paz.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Can I jump in with one of the prosecutors, please, Your Honor?
Yes, sir. We'll make you number 4 to confer.
Thank you.
You're in line. 6. 610063.
Robert Valdez for that one, Judge. back.
Alonso Gomez.
I'm back.
Yes.
Robert Valdez.
All right, Mr. Valdez, you're in line on that one. You're the.
No, I've already conferred on that. I conferred with Kathleen Pollard, and we're back.
All right, sir. What's the report on both of your cases?
Well, Mr. Gomez has a felony pending. The felony prosecutor was going to reach out to them, but has not. So and we don't have a setting yet on the felony case that I'm aware of.
It's set for October 10th, 13th.
Oh, okay. I didn't have that.
For
October
trial.
13th.
Yes, sir.
All right. We're going to reset to 60 days with a felony pending.
All right. That's one. The other one is the Amber Espinosa 554058.
Yes, sir.
That is, she's been accepted for pretrial diversion.
That'll be 60-day reset also.
All right. And hopefully that's all I have.
All right, sir. Thank you.
May we be excused,
For
sir.
your clients.
Thank you, Your Honor.
On my excuse, sir.
Yes, sir. You and your clients are both excused.
Thank you.
Thank you.
611483. State of Texas versus Laura Blackburn.
Present.
The attorney is Brent de la Paz. He is maybe conferring right now, but I know he's here. He answered on the other case. Thank you for being here, Ms. Blackburn. Wait for your attorney.
Yes, sir.
Patricia, if we see him, we need to remind him he has Ms. Blackburn here.
Yes, sir.
614184, State versus David Gonzalez, attorney Jay Norton.
Morning.
Good morning, Mr. Gonzalez.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Good morning to you. Have you heard from your attorney?
No, sir.
All right, I'm gonna mark it no response. We'll wait and see if he shows up. Stick around.
Yes, sir.
621371, State versus Jose Jaramillo, and that's Charles Sierra.
Morning, Judge. I'm here, and so's my clients.
Good morning to you both for being here. Thank you for being on time. What you doing this morning, Mr. Sierra?
Well, he also has a felony pending. He's got a different attorney on that. I'd like to reset this one so I can see what's going to happen in that felony case and see what's going on there.
Well, the only problem with that right now is that he has an actual active warrant out of that felony court.
Right, and I talked to the court this morning on that, and it's an administrative deal. He got a little crosswise with his bondsman. He fixed that problem. The bondsman refiled the surety bond, and the only thing left is for the judge and that Judge Moore to sign off on that. And he is not in town, so that's kind of hanging over my guy's head. But they assured me that he is not in any violation or anything. That it's just a matter of the judge signing off, but he's not in town.
All right, as far as this case then, reset 60 days, felony pending.
All right, thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
My client be excused and myself.
Yes, sir, of course. Be aware, he does right now have a warrant.
Right, I've explained it to him, and there's not much I can do until the judge gets back, but he's aware of it, Judge.
Well, have you approached the presiding criminal district court? They might sign off on it for you.
Okay, all right, thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. 623098, State versus Diana Ryan, attorney Kyle Ernst.
That's me. And that court-appointed attorney, Kyle Jordan, I called him like 30 times. I can't get him on the phone.
His last name is Ernst.
Did someone call my name?
Kyle Ernst?
The number 210-392-9376 is what I was issued.
Kyle Ernst, attorney. No response. Stick around, Ms. Ryan. We'll see if he shows up or see what's going on.
Yes, sir.
62340. I can't make it up, Betty.
00.
00, State versus Crystal
Castillo.
Castillo. I'm glad you can read it. I can't read this thing. The attorney is Stephen Harkowitz. Crystal Castillo. Absent. Stephen Harkowitz, no response. Six, three, five, seven, five, six, State versus Amand Woods.
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Amanda Hernandez. I'm here on Mr. Woods. I believe Mr. Woods is in the waiting room. He was having some issues with the internet, but he says he is logged on.
Is he on waiting room, Patty?
He's logging on now, Judge.
Mr. Woods is?
Yes, Your Honor. It shows him connecting to audio now.
Okay, now this is Don Flannery's case. Who's responding for him?
This is Amanda Hernandez. I'm his co-counsel.
Amanda, okay,
Yes.
I got you. Yeah, it's noted on here. Thank you. What are you going to do this morning, Ms. Hernandez?
We have 2 felonies that were recently indicted in June and July. So we would like to we're hired on those as well. And so we'd just like to get these reset so we can try to take care of the felonies.
We'll give you 60-day reset on these because of the felony pending.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. You're welcome.
May we be excused?
Yes, you are excused. 63770, State versus Domine Severe, and that is Scott Simpkins.
Present with counsel, Your Honor. We'll need to confer today.
All right, sir.
In the meantime, may my client be excused so she can go about her day?
Where is she at?
I'm here.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Larry. Appreciate you both being on time. Let's see, that's your number 5, I believe.
Quite possibly.
Judge,
Yes, ma'am.
apparently Miss, I went blank. Catherine Reed Pollard is having computer issues, so only Ashley Haas can confer with
All right.
attorneys.
Well, okay, at this time, Mr. Simpkins, you're number 5.
All right, Your Honor. And may my client be excused?
Yes, she is excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. 637-923, State versus Adrian Rodriguez, attorney Albert Gutierrez Jr. Adrian Rodriguez is absent. Albert Gutierrez Jr., attorney, no response. So noted. Six, 5, 0, 2, 8, 1. State versus Natalie Flores, no attorney of record. Natalie Flores. Ms. Flores is absent. Six, 5, 6, 0, 2, 2, 2, 3, and 2, 4. State of Texas versus Roland Ojeda.
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Mike Hernandez, Miguel Hernandez for the defendant. Do you see him on? Because I have had no contact with him. In this case, there's some felonies pending out of the 175th, but he has no attorney appointed on those cases. I have contacted the second chance bail bonds and they gave me numbers and I tried those, but I couldn't leave any messages on one and one was just completely out. I called the court this morning. They gave me another number. but it says that it's not accepting calls at this time. And the most recent number I've got on the appointment slip, I've left messages but have gotten no response.
Well, it sounds like you're SOL today as far as that client.
Well, I've been trying, Judge, believe me, not for lack of not trying.
I hear you. All right. Well, we'll excuse you. If he happens to show up, we'll get back in touch. But at this point, he's absent. And it's probably going to be a failure to appear before the end of the morning.
I believe he already has a warrant, an at-large warrant on this new case, Your Honor. I checked with your court.
Yes, sir. We'll just add to it.
All right, sir.
All right.
May I be excused, Your Honor?
You are excused.
Thank you. Have a good-
660-471 State versus Antoinette Hastings, attorney, Elizabeth Russell. Antoinette Hastings, absent.
She's there,
Elizabeth-
Judge.
Pardon me?
Miss Hastings is there.
I'm here, right here. Can you see me?
I hear you now. Didn't see you.
Can you see me?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good morning. I'm here.
Good morning. Have you heard from your attorneys, Van Cleve or?
I
Ms.
talked
Russell?
to him this morning and they gave me the sign-in information, and because it's my first time signing in.
Well, you succeeded. You're okay.
Yeah.
Stick around
Thank
and
you.
we'll see when your attorneys show up, okay?
So just stay on the phone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
663-490 State versus Faith Stevens, attorney Jocelyn Andrews.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning, Jocelyn. How are you, dear?
Good, thank you. I believe my client is here somewhere as well. She tells
I'm
me she's
present.
here.
I'm right here.
There she is.
Good morning.
Oh,
What
she's
do you
on the
want?
generic iPhone. No wonder I couldn't find her. We need to confer, Your Honor.
All right. Oh, you're on the list to confer, ma'am. Good to see you. Hope you're doing well. 663-505 State versus Amber Milligan.
Milligan, sir, I'm here.
Roberto Ramirez is your attorney.
Morning,
Yes,
Your
sir.
Honor. Robert Ramirez for Miss Milligan. She's pending a
morning.
felony. But I wouldn't mind conferring though with the ADAs but we are going to ask for a felony reset, but I would like to confer.
Go ahead and confer and then remind me and we'll reset you for felony pending.
Is there a particular waiting room, Your Honor? Is it
No, just stick around. We'll assign you when your turn comes up.
okay?
663-874 State versus Nicholas Cantu, attorney Suzanne Kramer. Nicholas Cantu.
Judge Suzanne Kramer is gonna be late. She's gonna log on a break. She's at a seminar.
Okay. He did contact you though, that's the main thing.
Yes, sir.
Looks like Mr. Cantu is absent though. We'll wait. 664-438 State versus Helen Junco, attorney Fernando Ramos.
Morning, Judge. Finally got in touch with her last night. Ms. Junko does not do internet. She alleges to be in the courtroom.
He's here in the courtroom, Judge.
He is in the courtroom.
I've had not a chance to talk with her, Judge.
All right.
Just get her mind. Could I have a 30-day reset to first appearance?
You don't want us to put you in breakout so you can at least say a few words?
Well, I'd like to see what's on her mind, Judge.
All right, then we'll reset you. 21 days.
Thank you, Judge. I appreciate it. May I be excused and my client
sir.
as well?
Yes, Ms. Junco and Mr. Ramos, you all are both excused. You're reset
you,
for 21 days. Mr. Ramos, you will get notice.
Thank you, Judge. I'm pretty sure we'll be able to bring this to an end at the next setting.
Very good. All
Thank
right.
you, Judge.
You're welcome. Take care. Stay safe.
You can leave them.
666948, Mr. Ruben Gonzalez, who's in our county jail, and Edward Brabenik, the new daddy. Are you here?
I've never been.
Pardon me?
Judge, that got reset. It got
Okay.
reset to November 3rd. Felony
All right.
pending.
All right. 667190, State versus Roland Ojeda. And no attorney of record at this time. Roland Ojeda?
Judge, you had already called that one. He's got a total of 5 cases. That's the one with Miguel Hernandez, attorney. He's got active warrants.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
667607, State versus Danielle Dakotas.
Judge, I'm present on that. It's Luis Martinez.
Mr. Martinez, good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge. Is that filed yet? My indication was it was a red file.
Patricia, don't ask me no hard question, Mr. Martinez.
I'll look it up, Judge.
Would you please? And how are you doing this morning, Patty?
I'm good, sir. Thank you.
Good, glad to hear it.
No file yet.
No file, the red file, so. Mr. Martinez, let's give you 60 days. Well, not give you 60 days, let's reset it for 60 days.
Yeah, I got a feeling I'll be back before then, Judge.
All righty. Thank you, sir. You're excused.
Thank you, Judge.
667631, State versus Harold Reese, attorney, Jose Rocha.
Yes, sir.
I have Mr. Reese in the courtroom, Judge.
All right. Mr. Rocha. Jose Rocha. No response. So noted. Mr. Reese, stick around. We'll see when he gets here.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for being on time. 667638, Jeff Parker, no attorney at this time.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Parker. Did you hire an attorney yet?
I haven't. I need just a little bit more time to do that, if that's all possible.
Okay. We're gonna give you 30 days to come back in with an attorney. Is that understood?
Yeah, that's understood. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're excused at this time, sir.
It's October 27th,
You got it? October 20.
Wednesday, October 27th.
Mr. Parker?
Okay, and that's at 9 o'clock also?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will be there. Thank you so much.
All right, 667652, State versus Angela Smith, attorney, George Schaefer.
Ready, Your Honor. How are you today?
I am well. How are you?
Delighted to be here.
Good. And your client?
She's in the other, she's there on the one that says Angela's iPhone.
Speak up, Angela. Wave your arms. Hello.
I'm here.
There you are. All right. Thank you for being here on time, both of you. What are you going to do, Mr. Schaefer?
Well, Judge, this is the first appearance and she has a felony pending, so I'm going to ask for 60 days.
Felony pending, 60-day reset. All right. So done. Both of you are excused at this time.
Thank you. I suppose Patty will give us a date later.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Judge. May we be excused?
You are excused, sir.
Okay, we'll talk.
I'm going to recall, since I'm shocked that he's here so early. Ramos Espinosa. Angela Ramos Espinosa. Okay, that's already done. I'm sorry. Ms. Flanagan. Lisa Flanagan.
What, Mike? Yes, sir.
Present, Judge.
What?
Aquí.
Cornelius?
Aquí.
Is that you?
It's not even 10 o'clock yet, Cornelius.
Judge,
Oh, now I'm gone.
I'm fresh from juvenile, Judge, but I'm here.
All right, what are you doing this morning, Cornelius?
It's set for jury, Judge, and we just ask that it be continued on the jury docket.
Okay, can I intervene just for a second? Can I just, did you read my text? I kind of need this moved till after Christmas because that's when I'm coming back. for
Miss
the
Flanagan,
sales.
Miss Flanagan,
Hmm.
please let me
It's not me talking, it's,
let me do this, okay?
all right, baby.
All right.
All right. So we're putting you on the jury docket call, Mr. Cox. Thank you.
All right, thank you, Judge. Maybe be excused.
Yes, you may. You are both
Okay.
excused at this time.
All
All right,
right.
thank you.
Where are we, Patty? Let's see, we got Brabenec, we got Parker. I think Smith is the last one. Sure. Okay. No, next two.
Yes. You're on
Sorry.
page 6.
Right. All right. I am on page 6 now. 667, 668, State versus Elizabeth Mansell.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm here on Miss Mansell.
Ms. Herbst.
How are you this morning, Judge?
I am well. How about you?
Very good, thank you. I'm not sure if she's in the courtroom or she's in the waiting room.
Well, we're going to have her answer at this time. She's absent. Make sure you find her and have her check in with us. What are your desires for this morning?
Well, Your Honor, I'm running late on the bond hearing. I'm wondering if I could be excused to attend the bond hearing.
Of course, you're going to return though, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. We'll be waiting.
Thank you, Judge.
Six 684 State versus Damian Gurley. No attorney at this time.
Here in the courtroom, Judge?
How you doing, Your Honor?
Mr. Gurley, have you hired an attorney?
No, sir.
Are you going to hire one? What is it you wish to do?
Get a court appointed.
All right. My bailiff, Ms. Castillo, will assist you. And you'll make out the forms if you qualify. After you've sworn to everything you put on there, if you qualify, we'll give you one. If you don't qualify, we'll inform you.
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you, Judge.
667-705 State versus Joe Garza. Attorney Robert Gebbia.
Good morning, Judge. Robert Gebbia here for Mr. Garza. He is logged on. We were just hired. This is our first setting. We would like a 60-day reset to review all the discovery and confer with the prosecutor, please.
I'll give you 30 days, but I'm not going to give you 60 just to review everything that's already there.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. Reset 30 days, Mr. Gebbia.
Thank you, Your Honor. You have a wonderful day.
You too. You guys are excused. Thank you for being on time. 667-728 State versus Jose Marin Rodriguez, Alberto Acevedo.
Judge, I'm present on that. This is an arraignment setting. We're still awaiting blood results, and I will be in contact with the DA about some missing discovery via email.
You're waiting for blood results. You're going to wait a good time. I'm going to give you 45 days to think about that and see if you can find it or if they send it to you. All right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And my client is on the Zoom.
Thank you.
Good morning to you both. Then you're both excused this time. Thank you for being here on time.
Thank you.
Thank
Have
you.
a good
Thank
day.
you, Honor.
667-806, State versus Eduardo Zarata. No, pardon me, Zapata. And that's Scott Martinez.
Mr. Zapata is here in the courtroom, Judge.
All right.
Yes, Judge, this is a first setting, Judge. I would need to speak to the prosecutors. But I have another hearing in the 226. If I could check in there, I'm sure I'm like fifth in line to talk to the prosecutors in this court, Judge.
I'm gonna put you in line to confer with ours. Otherwise, you're excused to go ahead and go to the 226.
I'll be back, Judge. Thank you.
All right, 667. See, 826, State versus Juan Morales, and that is Ivan Barrera.
Good morning, Judge. Council's present. I believe I saw my client, Juan. Juan, can you unmute yourself, please?
Yes, sir. I'm here. Good morning, Judge.
Good morning to you both. Thank you for being on time. What are you gonna do, Juan? I'm sorry, Ivan.
Judge, this is an arraignment. I'd ask for a reset, Judge, so I can start reviewing the discovery.
We'll give you 21 days to come back in after you reviewed discovery and see which way you're heading.
Thank you, Judge. That's it for me. May me and my client be excused?
Yes, you may.
Thank you, Judge.
667-839, State versus Jose Hernandez, and that is Carlos Martinez.
I have Mr. Hernandez in the courtroom, Judge, Spanish speaking only.
All righty. Carlos Martinez, attorney.
Judge, there's a note on there, attorney at County Court 15, taking a plea, and it just says he's gonna be late.
Okay. Señor Hernández. José Hernández.
Present.
¿Me escucha?
Sí.
Su abogado está en otra corte al momento. Va a regresar al rato. Se espera, ¿eh?
Okay.
Espérese hasta que regrese su abogado. Ya se comunicó con la corte. 667-856, State versus Fabián de la Garza, and that is Jerry Kagan.
Present, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Is your client here?
That was the defendant, Judge.
Okay, then it's Mr. Kagan that's not here. Mr. De la Garza, if you'll wait around a little bit till your attorney gets here. All right, 667-875, State versus Michael Weaver. Attorney Victor Gomez.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning.
Can you hear me? Mr. Weaver is under Mike. Yeah, he's present under Mike W. Mike, go ahead and unmute yourself.
Good morning.
Good morning. Mr. Gomez, what are you doing this morning?
Your Honor, this is our first setting. He has a felony pending. Could we have a 60-day reset on this?
All right. It is a new case. You're right. Felony pending, reset 60 days.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. You're excused. 667-879.
Mr. Weaver, you're excused as well.
667-879, State versus Franklin Vasquez, no attorney, as a felony pending also. Franklin Vasquez. Absent. 668076. Another Roland Ojeda case. All right. That takes care of the docket for this morning.
Judge, excuse me, may I approach?
Of course you may.
So I apologize. I started in Comal County this morning, but I'm here for Mr. David Gonzalez.
Give me a case number, Jay.
Yes, sir. It is 614184. 184.
There it is.
We are
going, Jay.
We are currently on the trial docket, is my understanding, but I would like an opportunity to confer with the state one more time.
All right, we only have one prosecutor at this moment. We're having a little bit of, believe it or not, we're having computer trouble. So.
No, I'm shocked.
You're on the list to confer, but you're pretty far down. We'll see how quickly we get to you.
Okay.
Any other attorney need to check in?
Yes, Judge. Suzanne Kramer for Nicholas Cantu.
Ms. Kramer. Which case number is it? I know
it's 663874.
663. Understand you're at a conference?
He's not here, Judge. I had worked out a plea bargain in the felony court for these cases to run concurrent while he was in jail with the felony. So I'm not really sure what's happened, but the computer is showing he's on bond. And the phone number that I have on him and that the bondsman has is not, I'm not getting a return call.
Which case number is it again?
663874.
That's him in the courtroom. He's in the courtroom. Suzanne.
He's here in the courtroom. He came in later.
Right, because he hasn't, I've been reaching out to the only phone number we have and I haven't gotten a call back, so that's great. Okay, so that was the deal. That was the plea bargain. I've got the email. I guess I can talk to a prosecutor so she can confirm that I got that email from Melissa Alvin.
Alrighty.
In the felony court.
I'll put you in there to confer.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Any other attorney need to check in?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Oh, go ahead, Brent.
Brent Delapage, Your Honor. I've conferred on my cases, Your Honor. If we could please remain on the trial docket for Mr. Maldonado, case number 605258.
Hold on. 605 258. Trial.
Yes, Your Honor, please. And I have one more.
Go ahead.
611483, Laura Blackburn.
Right. And what's the report on that?
If we could remain on the trial docket on as well.
All right. That's the only two cases you have, right, Brent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Very good. You're excused then, you and your
Thank you.
clients.
Have a good day. Thank you, Your Honor.
You too.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good day.
Thank you. Anybody else need to check in?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Judge. This is Brian from Sean Brown's office. I've conferred on Mr. Burgo's cases. We just need to be placed on the trial docket at this point in time.
Need a case number?
First page, 3 cases. Let's see. Sorry, Judge, my email closed out here.
573.
Murgo.
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Okey doke. Anything
Thank you,
else,
Judge.
Mr. Oriole?
No, sir.
All righty, then you're excused at this time.
Thank you, Judge.
Good morning, Judge. We need to check in Elizabeth Russell for Antoinette Hastings.
Give me a case number.
660471. It's on page 4, 3 from the bottom.
Thank you. You make it a lot easier for me. Elizabeth Russell, 66. Okay.
Welcome back, Patty.
Hi, Elizabeth. Thank you.
All right, what you got, Ms. Russell?
We need to confer, Judge, and we also have some outstanding discovery at this time.
You are on the list to confer. Thank you. Now, Rochelle Acevedo, has she already conferred, right?
I have, Judge, and I'm back. I spoke with Ms. Haas. She needs to review the file, so she indicated she would get back to me. So can we get a reset?
Yes, ma'am. How much time did she indicate?
She had said 30 days, Judge. She said she would review the file and get me an offer so that I could relay to my client.
30 days it is.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You and your client are excused, ma'am. Thank you for being here.
Thank you, Your Honor. You have a wonderful day.
Thank you,
You
Judge.
too. All right, who else?
Carlos Martinez, Your Honor.
Carlos Martinez.
I have Jose Hernandez, case number 667839, and he's on page 6.
All right. Mr. Martinez, what are you doing today?
Well, Judge, I just got hired and we're still going through the discovery. I sure like to get at least a 30-day reset.
All right, reset 30 days.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good one.
You too. Anybody
Judge.
else? Attorneys?
Judge, can Mr. Hernandez be excused?
Say again, Ms. Castillo?
Hernandez be excused?
Yes,
He's in the,
yes, ma'am.
okay. Yo te puedo decir, tu abogado te va a llamar.
Anybody else need to check in? Attorneys?
Your Honor, this is Scott Simpkins. I conferred with state on Ms. Domine Severe, case number 637770. I'd like to request a reset. Shuffle of prosecutors kind of mucked up my plans on how to deal with this case. I need a chance to confer with my client before going forward.
How about 21 days to confer?
What date would that be, Your Honor?
Don't ask me no hard questions. That's why I have a coordinator.
October
Patty?
18th.
I
October 18th.
will be in court out of county that morning. Can I have the 19th?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Your reset for 19 October.
Thank you, Your Honor. May I be excused?
You are excused and so is your client.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a nice day.
You too. Stay safe. Who else needs to check in, folks?
Jerry Kagan on behalf of Jeremy De La Garza, last name on page 6.
Jerry Kagan.
How are you, Judge?
I am well. How about you?
Hanging in there.
Good.
My allergies are killing me, though. If I can get into a room with a prosecutor.
Already?
Thank you.
You're on the list. It's a little slow this morning because one of our prosecutors, believe it or not, has a computer problem.
They're both available now, Judge. They're
All
both
right.
conferring.
Very good.
And they're both conferring.
Who's let's see, we had reports from Ms. Acevedo. About Brent de la Paz. He already checked in, right?
Yes, sir.
And so has Mr. Simpkins. All right. Report from Jocelyn Andrews. Have you conferred yet, Jocelyn?
She's conferring right now, Judge.
Very good.
And so is Robert Ramirez.
All right. Good. Anybody else need to check in?
May I stop YouTube, Judge?
Yes, ma'am.